It's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys know my title. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this fall ready chocolate brown like everyday color using only bleach. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning support, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, help me grow. But so obviously this is my Juicy Hair Affair hair. I'm not going to be doing any more dedicated content because we talked about the fact that she's closing her company. But I did always mention to you guys in one of my weekly vlogs that this was always something that I had to do. I wasn't sure that I was going to do it, but now looking at the color and like how perfect it came out, like I'm really glad that I stuck with it, because I never like to have wigs that really, look too much alike. But enough of me the rambling. Let's cut right to the video so I can show you guys how I achieve this color, so stay tuned. Okay, so for this color you're going to need 40 volume developer, which is this, and also I used Wella Blonder. I'm going to put a picture of it up on the screens. I already put it back and it's in a hard place to find. It's going to look crazy. There's a method to my madness, I assure you. It's going to come out exactly how I want it to come out. Now, I did over bleach the knots. You guys hear me mention that I do that because over bleaching the knots does help the closure portion to look a little bit more natural, but it did it a little bit too much. I'm going to go in with some black velvet and just touch up those roots. But for this portion, because I wanted to obviously be done quickly, I'm going to use my hands. And I just want it to look, I don't know, you guys will see. And I've already also based the hair with coconut oil. If you guys have never tried that, you should. It definitely helps the hair to not be damaged. And I'm not using foils because I'm just really going for like a fall ready, kind of like a chocolate brown. This is going to be my new everyday wig. Obviously, this is hair from Juicy Hair Affair. She has announced that she's closing. I have not yet decided if I'm going to do this as a separate video, just because this was already something that I was planning to do with this wig, or if I'm going to include it in a weekly vlog. But yeah, it's like you guys heard me mention I'm pressed for time. My schedule's about to get really hectic, so this is something that I had to do anyway. So yeah, so that's what I'm going in and doing. And like I said, it might look crazy, but it's just meant to just look like effortless brown. It's not meant to look like perfect. And if you guys have been on my channel, like when I color, you'll see what I'm talking about, that it always comes out the way I want it to come out. So even though my methods are what's the word that I'm looking for, unusual, it works for me. So I just continue. And then also I'm going to finish a lot faster if I do it like this rather than me going through with a brush. Like, I just don't have time for that. Not right now. Not the way my life is set up. If you know, you know. It's onto the roots, and I have about this much dye in there. I'm just gonna go through and just touch up just the very roots, because again, it's just bleached a little bit too much. I should have probably put hairspray on it, but I didn't. So pray for me. All right, just very lightly. because it's just a tidge. I really should look into getting black spray for the hair, so that I can just define the part that way going forward. I'm gonna rinse it off anyway here soon, so not really too worried that I got it on the roots, because I know it's not gonna stain the lace, but it is gonna stain the knots that I already bleached. Do I see the colors coming together? Oh, it looks, ooh, some pieces are turning blonde. I gotta wash this out. I'll start to do that here soon, because I don't want it blonde. I want it brown. This probably has too much bleach in it. Let me pull some of that bleach out so it can stop processing. So that's pretty much how I achieved the color. I absolutely love it. Before I put the wig on my head, like, you know how like you doubt yourself and I'm like, did I make it brown enough? But like, I feel as though it's like just enough. You guys can comment. I feel as though there's dimension. You guys always hear me say, you know, I never like for a color to just look like it's one color. I went and I made the roots a little bit darker. Not sure if I'm gonna do it anymore just right here in the very front, but I absolutely love the way it came out. I was actually thinking to myself when I was looking at it on like my mannequin head, like, oh, I need to curl this because I need this to, you know, to look a little bit different for me. But then when I put it on my head, I'm like, oh no, baby, this is giving everything that it's supposed to give in its natural curl state. Now I did go ahead and use rewind a little bit. So if you guys watch any of my vlogs, you would have seen where I replaced my bathroom vanity, and in doing so I had to take out all my products, and I mentioned to you guys that I'm going to show you guys all the products that I have, because I do have a lot of products. That was just some of it. And I forgot, like, I used to use like castor oil or cholesterol. Hot oil treatments. I'll put a picture of it up here, but when I put the conditioner in the hair, I put that on it, and I feel as though, I mean, I haven't worn it out just as yet. My schedule's about to get hectic, and this is my everyday wig, so I'm going to be wearing this. I mean, there's no point in really, I don't want to say there's no point in giving an update. Maybe I'll come back and do like an update, but it's probably going to be in a vlog, just because there's no point in making dedicated content for, you know, for her company if you're not going to be able to get hair pretty soon. So I'm going to let you guys know if that helps the curls from separating. Probably, like I said, and I don't want to say in a weekly vlog, because I might not be doing those either. I got to figure out how I'm going to, you know, tell you guys if these curls were just as defined. But I love the way it kind of like tamed the hair, but still also kept the hair defined. And I absolutely love the color. Like, I'm looking at it now, like I can see this in the fall time with like a red lip, like just giving everything that it's supposed to give. So if you guys stay tuned, saw my crazy methods, because I know my methods are crazy, but it always comes out looking good. Thank you. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.